Okay, for the purposes of this experiment, I'm doing this on the concrete slab of the garage, basically just to show that there's no, nothing that's connecting anything. Everything should be in view, and there's no power sources underneath anything, or, extra wires connecting anything. The circuit has a big heatsink block on it just because I'm using a linear regulator at the moment just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth power-wise when it hits the iPhone. Hope to use something a little different than that, like a DC to DC or something, to make a little bit more efficient cleaning of the power as it comes from the coil. But see, as you can see, these are not connected to each other at all. This is just a transmit coil and a receive coil, and then the circuitry to condition the power to go off to the iPhone through USB. And this is a 12-volt battery that I'm using for transmitting. It's just easier to use a higher voltage to make sure that it transfers across the distance. So I'll go ahead and do this. So as you'll see, I'll move the iPhone over here so you can actually see it. And again, there's no wires connecting anywhere. I will go and connect power, and you see the iPhone starts charging. It's all connected. Disconnect, and it stops charging. I'm going to go ahead and clip this on so it keeps charging, and it should just keep charging. Can move the coil here just to show you. That turns it off. If you get far enough away, but you get closer and gets enough power to push through and charge again. So there you have it. You can see it's got a good loop for the magnetics to go through when it's right next to each other, which is part of the reason that it charges this way. I'm going to put a wooden block in between the two of these here to show you. Same thing from the top. Oh, it's disconnected. There we go. And charge through materials as well. Alright, thanks.